Hey, good morning, Sophie. Merry Christmas.
What's down there? What's there? What's that, Daddy?
I think Santa came last night. You must have been good.
What are these?
They're presents.
What's in them?
I don't know. We'll have to take turns and open them.
Can I open it for me?
Oh, no. Let's see. This is not for you. This is for Tita. So, but look at your chalkboard. Do you like your chalkboard?
Somebody write on my top.
What does it say on the chalkboard? It says, Sophie, Merry Christmas.
From Santa.
Do you like that? And on the other side, you can put paper up, and you can draw. You can color.
What's up there?
On the other side, you put paper on there, and you can color. We'll bring your crayons out, and you can color on it. So when you're done with that piece of paper, you put a new piece of paper up.
And draw with my hand. Sure. Yeah. It's green.
It is green.
It's turning to green.
Yeah. So let's see what else we have here. Oops, sorry.
We set this back there, please.
So what is
Just
this,
right behind here.
Sophie?
Can you open it?
You can open it. Let's see who this is from. This is from Santa or from Tita?
I can't.
This is from Tita.
I'm strong. Can break it?
Was that from Santa or Tita?
That's from Tita. What is it?
A dolly. Back in. How we gonna get all of these people up? Can I open it so I can play with it?
Yeah. Do you want to play with it now, or do you want to open more presents?
I'll open my present.
Okay.
I'll open this present.
I'm going to open that present. Let's see who it's for.
None of the presents are for you,
Now,
Sophie.
wait, hold on. Let me see. There's a tag on there. Let me read it. It says, let me see what it says. Does it say, to Sophie from Mommy and Daddy,
Yeah.
we love you.
No, I don't think open it. Can I rip it?
Yes, you can rip it. Oh, no, don't do that. Oh, you ripped it. There it is. Newspaper.
Maybe sign it.
Maybe.
Maybe it's cold. This is not be good.
What is that?
A new camera.
And what color is it?
Can I take a picture?
It's a Sophie camera.
It's a selfie camera. Let me turn it on, and we'll teach you later how to work it.
No, I want to.
Top button.
This on you.
Nope. The one that says on or on the back. Top on the back.
Where are you?
Keep the camera on me and then push the button.
Ooh!
Did it come out?
And she says, where are you?
Yeah.
Is that for you?
Yeah.
How do you know? Did you look at the name?
Let me see, does it say? What is it?
A teddy bear.
No, it's not a teddy bear.
What is it?
No, look. It's baby doll clothes. Maybe we can put clothes on the water baby. And it's toys for your baby doll. Your baby doll has blocks and food. There's apple juice and grape juice.
Can open it.
These are wipes. Wipes for your baby.
Can see what?
I don't know if there really is anything in there. It's
I think they're pretend.
Just pretend.
I got right. Eh.
So that you can feed your baby and clean your baby.
Okay,
Wait, this is for you?
yeah.
What is it?
Maybe. What is it?
A paper doll? It's paper dolls. Do you know what paper dolls are?
Yeah. Good.
No, but you didn't look and see what it was.
It's
Show
what else
mommy.
is in there? What else is in there?
A bag. That's a bag.
Can I see who that's for?
No! Is it for Sasha?
It is for Sasha. It's from Santa for Sasha.
Merry Christmas, Sasha. From Santa. Oh, that, be careful with that angel.
Who's that for? Let me see. Not everything's
No!
for you, Sophie. Not everything's for you.
You have baby shoes. Oh, another. To the other side. Look at the other side.
You need me to open it?
Yeah,
Was that from Santa?
so can put it in there.
Who was it from? Oh, Santa.
What did you ask Santa for, Sophie?
Baby doll.
You asked him for angels. That's an angel.
Oh, right here. Right by the mommy angel.
Exactly.
On this one.
Oh, be careful with that angel.
That's for Sophie, too.
Who's that from? Is that from Santa?
That's from Santa. Who's on the front?
That one. Can't open it.
You open it like this. What is
Can't
that?
open it.
Well, look,
But what is it?
what is it? It's for you to put lip gloss, nails,